It's Friday, February 27th, 2026, about 4:43 p.m. UCSB Campus Point, parking lot number 6, up against the cliff fence. Camera's about 45 feet up. Air temp's about 75. It was quite a bit warmer. It was low 80s in town today, maybe even high 80s up by my place. Water temps warmed up a lot this week. We've been over 70 every day with very little wind. Like right now, it's just, there's no wind at all. It's just all glass. And the mid-channel buoy is warmed up to about 64 degrees, which is bulk water temp. So 64 plus actually. And then right now the humidity is I think around 60%. It's still pretty wet. That's Mesa Lane Beach on the left, 6.5 miles. Background La Conchita Beach, 22.7 miles. Water line's up a little bit, above the rocks at least. A little bit hazy down that way. Wouldn't be surprised if you're seeing the houses and stuff along La Conchita Beach. Maybe some traffic. But it might all be lost in the surface down there still. We'll head on down. Well, that's pretty nice. So there's Hogan, 17.8 miles. On the right, the ridge on the left at 30.6 miles with the tree at 280 feet. The grove of trees up to the left of that is about 320 feet. It looks like we're seeing way down. I wouldn't necessarily say we're seeing water beyond the rigs much, but you can see the legs of Hogan there pretty easily. And there's the tree. I'm going to move kind of quick. I want to get Anacapa if I can here. Depends on how this looks. There's Conejo Mountain, 51 miles, 1,800 feet with Houchin in the foreground. Pesky Ridge. Henry there, 16.4 miles. Pesky Ridge right in the center. 50 miles, 900 to 1,000 feet. Saddle Peak, it's really warm back there, so I wouldn't doubt that it's compressed and pushed down, displaced down a little bit. Back in the Malibu Hills there. So that's 71.5 miles, 2789 foot elevation. Olive Hill House at 14.6 miles. Platform A, I'm not seeing Mandalay Generating Station, any sign of it, right here at least. Might show up later in the edit. There's B and an Olive C, including the walkway at the bottom, 13.1 miles. There's Mugu on the left. It's definitely miraging down there. 50 miles, 1,260 feet. And can't really tell what's going on out there, but I'm going to zip to Anacapa. That's actually, I think that's East Anacapa by the lighthouse and the rock kind of reflecting there, the arch. I think it's inferior mirage, but hard to say. The real one would be up top, compressed like crazy. And then big Anacapa with the tail sticking out there. Yeah, I'm guessing inferior mirage there with arch. Gosh, come on, center up. Arch rock right there, possibly. Yeah, some of the other rigs. Another one way out there. I think that's harvest, and then we'll start seeing, yeah. So there's your upper four, past the pesky. Back up the coast. Look at that again real quick. Seems like it changed a little bit, huh? Okay, over